Politics. Ontario's Health Minister Sylvia Jones was at St. Joseph's Healthcare Hamilton today, responding to multiple concerns surrounding a general lack of provincial funding for hospitals, as well as a huge Hamilton Health Sciences deficit and potential hospital staffing cuts. Eric Vienneau has more.
There has been no layoffs and no intention to lay off frontline patient-facing front staff.
When asked about how HHS is facing a projected deficit of $112 million this year, triggering a staffing review to look for cost savings, Minister Jones was steadfast that frontline cuts will not happen.
What the hospital has made a determination that they will not fill non-clinical, non-frontline staff while they work with the ministry, with Regional Ontario Health, to ensure that we and they work together to provide the necessary services.
The Canadian Union of Public Employees says the provincial government needs to do more to address the deficit, saying it could mean job losses, along with addressing a lack of funding.
Ontario is the lowest funded hospital beds, and I believe that it's just getting worse and something needs to be done to change that.
In response to this, Jones insists the government does help.
Whether it's nurses, nurse practitioners, physicians, we have expanded the number of opportunities in our school system, and we have continuously ensured that our hospital partners have the funds that they need to continue to provide exceptional service.
It's nowhere near enough.
Meanwhile, St. Joe's Foundation says the emergency department needs to be urgently revamped. They blame what they're calling critical gaps in provincial funding.
Why are there multiple concerns about provincial funding for hospitals?
So I want to be clear, our hospital foundations across Ontario do exceptional work, but it is not for operational dollars. We will ensure operationally that we have and continue to provide the necessary services, but in terms of equipment, that really has been the role of hospital foundations and donors for years.
Jones was at St. Joe's today announcing new renovations for St. Joseph's Special Care Nursery.
More private rooms, more space for care, and supports tailored to the early developmental needs of our infants.
St. Joe's Foundation did have a rally planned here at the hospital today, but they had to cancel. We also reached out for an interview. They were unavailable, but they did tell us that they are holding a fundraising lottery until November 27th that they say will help bridge the funding gap.